The Mountaineer sets the standard for wilderness first aid kits with supplies capable of treating 10 people for up to 28 days over a broad range of injuries. This group medical kit is equally suited for urban disasters or other situations where medical care is inaccessible. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury in French and English, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, a sterile scrub brush for road rash and other dirt-filled abrasions, wound closure strips to close wound edges, and pre-cut moleskins and glacier gel burn dressings to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnosis and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. High-quality instruments include EMT shears, CPR face shield, and digital thermometer. Fracture and sprain items include a 36 by 4 inch C-splint, plus a wide variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures. The medications pocket includes after-bite bite treatment, as well as space to pack your own medications to treat pain, fever, inflammation, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Cuts and scrapes items include our exclusive easy access bandages, plus antiseptic wipes, and more. Stop bleeding fast with a 10-centimeter emergency bandage, nitrile gloves, and trauma pads. Includes an ultralight, watertight summit bag with 2 dry flex bags to pack with supplies for day trips while you leave the larger kit at base camp. The International Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure by ordering your kit today.